Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy. So let's continue with our topic on multiple angles part 4. So today question number 20. In question number 20 we have cos 5a over sin a plus sin 5a over cos a is equal to 2 cos 4a into cosec 2a. So we will begin with left hand side. We have copied left hand side. Then we will take LCM of sin a and cos a, which is sin a into cos a, and on simplification we will get this one. I hope this is clear to you. Thereafter you can check the numerator goes in formula. Can you guess which formula? We have learned cos a minus b is equal to cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So this formula we will use over here. You can check over here, it is in the form of cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b, which is ultimately cos a minus b. Cos a minus b. The denominator is copied as it is. 5a minus a is 4a. So cos 4a. Denominator as it is copied. Then we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, which we have done over here. Okay, the numerator 2 cos 4a is copied as it is, and the denominator 2 sin a into cos a is sin 2a. Sin 2a. Thereafter we can write this fraction as 2 into cos 4a into 1 over sin 2a. After all, on simplification you will get the same thing. Then this 2 cos 4a as it is, and 1 over sin 2a is cosec 2a, which is equal to right hand side proved. Now next question number 21. Question number 21 and 22 are similar to question number 20. So you will try these two questions on your own. If you have any problem with any question, then please email me. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Now let's go to question number 23. In question number 23, we have 1 minus tan square 45 degree minus theta over 1 plus tan square 45 degree minus theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So as usual, let's begin with left hand side. The left hand side is copied, and then what we will do is we'll assume let 45 degree minus theta as a. So instead of 45 degree minus theta, we will keep a, just for simplification. Okay, now we have 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square a. We have learned that cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square a. So we can replace this 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square a with cos 2a. But this a we have assumed on our own, so it must be replaced. So what we do in next line is cos as it is, 2 as it is. Instead of a, we'll put back 45 minus theta. 45 minus theta. Now this 2 will multiply both these angles. 2 into 45 is 90. 2 into theta is 2 theta. Again we have got cos 90 minus 2 theta. So in lower class we have learned that cos 90 degrees minus theta is sin theta. So cos 90 minus 2 theta is sin 2 theta, which is equal to right hand side proved. Now next question. Question number 24. Question number 24 is similar to question number 23. So please try to do it on your own. Now question number 25. In question number 25, we have 1 plus cos 4x over cot x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sin 4x. So let's begin with left hand side. In left hand side, we have 1 plus cos 4x over cot x minus tan x. Now this 1 as it is copied plus as it is cos 4x means cos 2 into 2x. After all, 2 into 2x is 4x. Okay, then this whole upon as it is. Now in denominator we have cot x minus tan x. We can write this cot x as cos x over sin x, and tan x as sin x over cos x equal to, now this 1 is copied as it is, this plus sign as it is. Now this cos 2 into 2x, we know cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so it is cos 2 theta format. So we can write this as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Theta means 2x. Okay, and in denominator we will take LCM and we will simplify to get this one. I hope this is clear. This is a basic concept. Okay, now here is plus 1, here is minus 1. They will cancel each other. Then we are left with 2 cos square 2x. And in denominator, again we are getting cos square x minus sin square x. So again we know there is one more formula for cos 2 theta. That is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So instead of cos square theta minus sin square theta, we can write cos 2 theta. Similarly, instead of cos square x minus sin square x, we can write cos 2x. And the denominator is copied as it is. Now next concept that you need to know is, we have learned that a whole over b by c can be written as a into c by b. A, and this is the main whole open, then b over c. We can write this as a into c by b. So it is in the form of a, this is the main whole open, b by c. So we can use this concept and write this in this format. I hope this is clear to you. Thereafter, here is cos square 2x, here is cos 2x. Cos 2x and square cancelled. Then we are left with 2 cos 2x, and this numerator we copy as it is. Now we will do slight arrangement. What we will do is, we will take this 2 over here. We can take this 2 over here. That is what I have done. Can you guess why? Yeah, we will get a formula. Formula for sin 2x, that is 2 sin x into cos x. So this cos 2x is copied as it is. 2 sin x into cos x is sin 2x. Thereafter, what we need to do is, we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So that is what I have done over here. After all, this 2 and 2 cancel, and the same thing comes. Okay, thereafter, again, can you guess why did I multiply with 2? Yeah, very good. We will get a formula. So this 1 by 2 as it is, and it is in the form of 2 sin theta into cos theta. That is sin 2 theta. So we will write sin 2 theta. Then we will get 1 by 2, and this is ultimately sin 4x, which is equal to right hand side proved. Now the next question, question number 26. Question number 26 is very important. It is frequently asked, so please pay attention. So again we will begin with left hand side. Now in the first two expression, you can check it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, which we can write as a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, and remaining two expressions are copied as it is. Thereafter, the square of 2 cos theta is 4 cos square theta. The square of 1 is 1. This is clear. The remaining two expressions are copied as it is. Thereafter, 4 means 2 into 2. So 4 means 2 into 2. This cos square theta as it is, minus 1 as it is. I have kept this in bracket to make it simple to understand. Now again, these two expressions are copied as it is. This 2 as it is. Now instead of 2 cos square theta, I have mentioned 1 plus cos 2 theta. Why? Again, we know cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. I can bring this minus 1 this side, and I can write this as 1 plus cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta is ultimately 1 plus cos 2 theta. So instead of 2 cos square theta, I will write 1 plus cos 2 theta. This minus 1 as it is. and these two expressions are copied as it is. Now this 2 will multiply both of them. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into cos 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta. Minus 1 as it is. These two expressions are copied as it is. Okay. Now 2. Okay, now check over here. This 2 cos 2 theta. This is copied over here. 2 minus 1 is 1. And the remaining two expressions are copied as it is. Now what we will do is, again you can check over here, it goes in formula a plus b, a minus b. I repeat, a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So instead of these two expressions, I have written here 4 cos square 2 theta minus 1, which is a square minus b square, and the last expression is copied as it is. Okay, again similar concept used over here. This form is 2 into 2. This cos square 2 theta is copied as it is, minus 1 as it is, and the last expression is copied as it is. Again this 2 as it is, again using the similar concept. Look here, here is 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So if we are given 2 cos squared 2 theta, then we should write here 1 plus cos 4 theta. Remember, double of theta is 2 theta. So double of 2 theta is 4 theta. Am I clear? Okay. So instead of 2 cos square 2 theta, we are writing 1 plus cos 4 theta. This minus 1 copied as it is. And the last expression is copied as it is. So on opening the bracket and simplification, means 2 into 1 is 2. And that 2 minus 1 is plus 1. And 2 into cos 4 theta is 2 cos 4 theta. And then 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 is copied as it is. Okay, it is 2 cos 4 theta plus 1, 2 cos 4 theta minus 1. Again it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. That is again a square minus b square. Then using the similar concept that is used over here, you can prove ultimately 2 cos a theta plus 1, which is equal to right hand side proved. Thank you very much. So at last I request you to like my videos and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.